Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences JNIMS Association said the National Medical Commission NMC could cancel the hospital's recognition over the prevailing issue surrounding appointment of director. In this regard, the association along with Students Association, Resident Doctors Association, Trained Nurses Association and Non-Teaching Staff Association of JNIMS held a press meet at a conference hall of the institute today. Fourth Foundation Day of NINGSHING Loop TEKCHAM was observed at TEKCHAM and the Thobal district today. Pradhan of TEKCHAM Gram Panchayat L. Iboyai Singh started the function. Representatives of TEKCHAM Mera and club members attended the celebration. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Thobal under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India observed Swachh Pakhwada from December 16 to 31st across the district. Awareness on cleanliness, tree plantation, office digitization, drawing competition of school children were held during the observation. WANGJING TENTHA MLA BROJEN assured that every household of WANGJING TENTHA will get safe drinking water from 2021 and sought people's support in taking up developmental projects in the constituency. Besides drinking water, BROJEN said he will also make efforts to improve connectivity in his constituency. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that India is preparing to run the world's largest COVID-19 vaccination drive. Modi said India has emerged as the nerve center of global health. The Prime Minister also appealed to people not to pay heed to rumors which might arise in the course of the vaccination drive. He appealed to the people of the country that fight against COVID-19 is the one against an unknown enemy. He also stated to be careful about such rumors and as responsible citizens refrain from forwarding messages on social media without checking. 5 more cases of the more transmissible coronavirus strain discovered in the United Kingdom have been detected in India. A total of 25 people who returned to India from the UK have tested positive for the more infectious COVID-19 strain. The Health Ministry said a total of 25 cases of the mutant virus have been detected in India after genome sequencing. 4 new cases have detected at the National Institute of Virology in Pune and 1 new case in Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology in Delhi. According to media reports, the Health Ministry has confirmed that all 25 persons have been kept in physical isolation at health facilities. With 21,822 new cases of coronavirus infections detected yesterday, the tally now stands at 1 crore and 2.66 lakh in India. As many as 299 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. While 26,000 were declared as recovered, there are 2.57 lakh active infections. Kerala has reported 6,268 new cases, while Maharashtra detected 3,537 new infections. The Union Health Ministry has asked all states to keep a strict vigil on New Year celebration that could be potential COVID-19 super spreader events and also to curb crowding as a precautionary measure during the winter season. Manipur's COVID case tally has reached 28,137 with 41 new cases in the last 24 hours. The fresh infections were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thobal, Bishnupur, Kaching, Tamenglong, Senapati, Jiribam, Technopal and Churachandpur districts. All are locals without any significant travel history. The state reported 1 coronavirus fatality in the same period, taking the death toll to 354. The active cases are 1,182, while the recovered cases are 26,601 as of this morning. The recovery rate in the state stands at 94.54% as per a release from the Manipur Government COVID-19 Command Control Room. All the madrassas in Assam which are being run under the state government will be converted into regular educational institutes with effect from April 1, 2021, said Education Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. This was announced by Assam Education Minister Sarma after the Assam Repealing Bill 2020 was passed by the State Assembly yesterday. The bill introduced by the Assam government on Monday last sought to repeal the Assam Madrasa Education Provincialization Act 1995 and Assam Madrasa Education Provincialization of Services of Employees and Reorganization of Madrasas Educational Institutions Act 2018.